could hear the drips of the snow coming off from the sun hitting it. It snowed a little bit more last night, but not too much. You could hear what I'm hoping is a snow plow. Let's check it out.
All right, we got good news today. Got a snowcat and he's dug part of our street out and we hear him up here. So we're gonna go take a look, see if he can get us out of here.
Get us out of here.
Get us out of here. So there's the house up there. Got to get down this road to where we're at and down a little more, but he's on the way. We're making some progress. We're gonna actually get out of here. We're getting out of here.